In this video, I will guide you through how to add page border in Google Docs. So to do that, open a web browser. From top right, click on grid icon, select Drive, create new document, or open an existing document. Go to the top and click on Insert. From the menu, hover over Drawing and click New. You will get this pop-up. Go to the top and click on Shape button. Hover over Shapes and select this rectangle shape. Click and drag to draw the shape. Just draw the shape because we can adjust it later. Make fill color transparent. Choose border color. I will select black. Choose border weight. Border weight is border thickness. For demonstration purpose, I will choose a slightly thicker border of 8 pixels. Usually 1 or 2 pixels is fine. Click Save and Close. Shape has been added to the document. Click on the shape and then click on 3 dots. Click on All Image Options. Click on Text Wrapping. Select In Front of Text. Then click on Border again. And from option Move with Text, select Fix Position on Page. Now all you have to do is to position it according to your need. Click and drag from corner points or edge points to adjust its size and position. And this is how you can add border to Google Docs. I hope you find it useful. If you do, please leave a like and consider subscribing. See you in the next one.